Do you ever feel like the world is spinning too fast, leaving you breathless and overwhelmed? What if I told you that true peace isn't found by escaping the chaos, but by learning to navigate it with a profound sense of calm? In this video, we're embarking on a journey to unlock the secrets of inner tranquility, even when life feels completely out of control. Have you ever felt like you're running a race with no finish line? Wait to see our video till to the end. Welcome back to Dream Big and Believe in You. You wake up, and immediately, the world demands your attention. Emails ping, notifications flash. The to-do list seems to grow longer with every task you complete. It's a constant rush from one thing to the next. A relentless cycle of doing, achieving, striving. We are told this is progress. We are told this is success. But in the quiet moments, late at night, is this all there is? Am I truly moving forward? Or am I just running faster on a hamster wheel, getting nowhere but exhausted? This feeling of being overwhelmed is a shared human experience. We live in a culture that glorifies being busy. It disconnects us from ourselves. It robs us of our peace. We start to believe our value is tied to productivity. If we stop, we will fall behind. This pressure creates a low-humming anxiety that follows us everywhere, turning even rest into worry. We forget, human beings, not human doings. The purpose of life is not just to get through it, but to live it with intention and presence. Feeling out of control is not weakness. It's a signal. Your inner self telling you your way of living is unsustainable. Imagine driving with the accelerator pressed to the floor, never braking or refueling. Eventually the engine burns out or you run out of gas. Our minds and bodies are no different. They need stillness to process, recharge, recalibrate. Think of the most resilient structures in the world. A tall skyscraper sways in the wind but does not fall. A deeply rooted tree bends in a storm but does not break. They don't fight the force, they move with it. This is the essence of finding calm in chaos. It is not about building rigid walls to keep the world out. It is about developing the flexibility and strength to withstand the pressures without losing your center. True peace isn't the absence of problems. It is the ability to deal with them from a place of inner stability. It is an internal state, not an external condition. You can be in the quietest room and feel turmoil, or in the loudest crowd and feel complete peace. I remember speaking with a paramedic who had one of the most stressful jobs imaginable. Every day he faced life or death situations. I asked him how he stayed so calm. He told me, "In the middle of the chaos, my job is to be the one calm person. If I panic, I can't help anyone." He had trained himself to be the eye of the storm. He knew he couldn't control the accident, the injuries, or the fear of others, but he could control his own response. We often believe that to feel calm, our external world must be perfectly organized and predictable. We wait for the day when the project is finished, the bills are paid, and all our relationships are harmonious. But that day may never come. Life, by its very nature, is unpredictable. It is a constant flow of events, some pleasant, some challenging. The pursuit of a perfect, chaos-free life is a recipe for frustration. We can't always change our circumstances, but we can always change our perspective and our inner state. Let go of the idea that peace is out there somewhere. Peace is in here, waiting for you to cultivate it. Instead of saying, "I will be calm when everything settles down," try saying, "I will bring calm to this situation right now." This simple shift empowers you. It takes you from being a victim of your circumstances to being the creator of your experience. Your inner peace is not dependent on what life throws at you, but on how you choose to catch it. If I could give you one tool for immediate calm, it would be your breath. It's the anchor that holds you steady, the bridge between your mind and body. When anxious, your breath becomes shallow. But this connection works both ways. Change your breath, and you change your state. Try box breathing, a simple technique you can use anywhere. Inhale for 4 counts. Hold for 4. Exhale for 4. Hold again for 4. Repeat this a few times, and you will feel a noticeable shift. Mindfulness is the art of paying attention, on purpose, to the present moment, without judgment. Too often, Our minds are everywhere but the present, which feeds anxiety. To ground yourself, try this. Pause and name 5 things you can see, 4 things you can feel, 3 things you can hear, 2 you can smell, and 1 you can taste. This simple practice pulls your awareness back to the present and grounds you. There is a profound peace that comes from acceptance. But let's be clear about what acceptance is and what it is not. Acceptance is not resignation. It's not giving up or condoning a bad situation. Acceptance is acknowledging reality as it is, without resisting it. So much of our suffering comes not from life's events, but from our resistance to them. We argue with reality. This shouldn't be happening. This isn't fair. Things should be different. That fight is like trying to push a river upstream. Imagine a rainstorm. You can shake your fist at the sky, or you can accept that it's raining. Say, okay, it's raining, I'm wet. What's my next move? Resist and suffer twice, or accept and just be wet. Acceptance eliminates the second layer of suffering. It frees energy for what you can control, your response. From small hassles to big heartbreaks. Mantra. I can't control the situation, but I can control my response. Let go of how you think things should be. In embracing what is, you'll find relief and power. The journey to calm is not about changing the world around you. The world will always have chaos, uncertainty, unpredictability. The real victory is changing the world within you. You can't control the winds and the waves, but you can learn to be a masterful sailor. Steer your ship with a steady hand, navigating the storms with wisdom, courage, and a calm heart. Think of it like training a muscle. The more you practice, breathing, pausing, accepting, the stronger your calm becomes. At first, it may feel difficult. Your mind will wander. Your old habits tug at you. This is normal. The goal is not perfection, but progress. Each conscious breath, each grounded pause, each moment of acceptance, you are winning. External triggers will still happen, but they will no longer hijack your state. They pass like clouds. Begin today. Start where you are, with a single conscious breath, a 1-minute pause. You are the architect of your inner world. Build it with peace. If this video helped you find a little peace today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more weekly inspiration.